Stalin. You know him. The big guy with the big mustache. One time, he was addressing Congress. He was reading a speech. And during his speech, somebody sneezed. He looked up and asked who it was. But nobody answered. So what did Stalin do? First row. He asked again, who sneezed? Nobody answered. Second row. Again, Stalin asked, who sneezed? At the moment he was about to point to the third row, somebody in the back. I did, Comrade Stalin. Stalin answered, God bless you. And he continued with his speech. As you can see, Soviet people like honesty. If you are honest to us, we take care of you, comrade.